Nice. It fit. Bless. We're live.
Maybe last show of the week.
Last show of the week.
And it's going to be a good one because we got some fucking info for you.
Don't make promises you can't keep, Dave.
Oh, I got promises. I might have had my fingers crossed behind my back.
As you usually do. You fucking back crosser, you.
How dare you? I do have another hard out at 10 today. I have an interview with M Fused. Interview, what's the word I'm looking for? Meeting.
Okay, then let's play the song. You just keep yapping away.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. D&B got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. D&B got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks.
Good morning, you beautiful stoners, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
It is October 20th, 2021, the last show of the week. And Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
We are bridging gaps, David, between the comedy, the cannabis, the crypto, and the stock games.
And if you're our regular watcher, we love to give a huge shout out to GreenPharms Dispensaries. Thank you for hooking us up every time that we play the stock market, crypto market, doesn't matter what market, you keep us high and we love you. Please go check them out in Flagstaff and Mesa, Arizona. Brian, who else do we got?
We got Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them. They've been featured on Yahoo Business and Market Watch, and they are an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. It sends very clear buy and short signals, giving you confidence to make good trades. Check out the link in the description below. You can help the show out if you sign up using that link.
I'd like to start off the show by saying thank you, Bitcoin, for climbing up to 67,000.
Yeah,
really
all-time high, baby. Bitcoin, all-time high.
Made a quick $100 yesterday just by investing a little bit of money. Very happy. I did post in the Discord this morning about Facebook. Did you see that at all?
No, I didn't. I was busy doing other things.
So apparently, in Europe, in London, Facebook just got slapped with a $69 million fine. And with the second article that I read about Facebook is that they're going to be changing their name, bro.
Interesting.
Yeah, I guess there's way too much bad publicity going around that they are willing to change their name.
To what?
That's going to be announced within the next 2 weeks.
Wow.
Isn't that wild? Facebook's been around for over 10 years. Actually, were we in high school?
It's longer than that.
Yeah, I think it was 15 because we were in high school when it came out. Yeah, I believe so. Because when Facebook came out, it was like only for like college kids. Remember that?
Yep.
Yeah. Look where it was today. No more MySpace. We got Facebook.
Facebook was founded in 2004.
Wolf.
And it went. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just trying to see when like it became public, basically. It was more like 2008. So yeah, senior year of high school, pretty much.
Thought that was fucking wild.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Yep.
Yeah. Thought I'd like to start off the show with saying, hey, Facebook's changing the name because there's so much bad publicity. fucking wild. So we do got a decent amount of SPAC IPO merger funding news today.
SPAC! Oh! Bryson loves that. He messaged me to let me know that.
Really?
Yeah. He said, don't ever stop doing the SPAC thing. And I was like, did it seem as though I planned on it, good sir?
All right, let's dive right into it, baby.
IPO for Bitcoin miner Stronghold Digital Mining prices at $19, above expected range. That's $19, comma, above expected range, not $19 above expected range. The initial public offering of Stronghold Digital Mining let's see, Barron's has like a wow baby. Has it gone up? Okay.
Yes, it has.
The IPO for Stronghold Digital Mining, a Bitcoin miner, was priced at $19 a share, higher than the anticipated range of $16 to $18. The stock will begin trading Wednesday on the NASDAQ under symbol SDIG. SDIG? The company describes itself as, quote, a vertically integrated Bitcoin mining company with an emphasis on environmentally beneficial operations, end quote. Its Bitcoin miners operate out of a coal refuse power generation plant in Pennsylvania. Looks like it's trading at $31.16.
Yes, it is. Oh, man.
Wow.
Yep. Wall Street, good for you. I like this.
Yeah, so it opened today. Yeah, it opened today at like $26, which is higher still than this article says, and then it just went up $5.
Yeah, it almost doubled. Not almost doubled, but it's close there. Good for you, though.
Good for you if you're barons.
Yeah. Well, this is. I consider this as. I'm gonna put this with Mara and Riot now. I think this is gonna trade pretty much like the same. Bitcoin's at an all-time high, so this is going up, and this is it's environmental fucking what was it? Using coal instead of energy. Coal, how is that so environmentally safe?
I don't. It says it's in a coal refuse power generation plant. So I don't know what that means, but maybe they use the refuse from coal. I don't know. I can't even pretend to understand.
I like this. Look at it slowly climbing, and Bitcoin's not coming down anytime soon. I don't think. If I had to take a guess, I think
famous last words.
Don't judge me, Brian. Don't fucking judge me. But if I think you're in the same boat as I am. Well, you think Bitcoin's going to keep going up too, right?
Yeah. I don't think Bitcoin's stopping. Not anytime soon.
This won't be stopping. At least till maybe early of next year, maybe January.
Are you adding it to the DMB 200?
I think we should.
Okay, go ahead. You have my blessing.
All right, ticker SDIG. SDIG. Officially on the D&B 200, baby.
Too bad we don't have like a celebration noise to play. Yay! You made it! Ah!
Hey, that's in the future. That's in the future. Don't leave that out.
Wow, even SOS is up. The now defunct Bitcoin mining operation in China is rising. Now you just gotta get at fucking $12 a share so daddy can make his money.
Oh yeah, look at SOS and EPON both up 10%.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them both side to side real quick just so I can. All right, so EPON, as you know, they said they were gonna come out with the fucking platform to trade coins on. Didn't fucking happen. China, same thing with SOS. They had. You loved SOS. You wouldn't stop talking about SOS for the longest fucking time.
Bruh, because they delivered on everything they were talking about. The main problem that came with it is that China just went, no more mining.
Yep.
And you don't disobey. You know what I mean? Like, they shut down their whole operation. Like, I really thought around this time of the year, we'd see, like, $20 easy. You know, like, all the Bitcoin miners have risen substantially because they're in operation. It's just China fucked these Chinese Bitcoin miners open. Yep. SOS was very open. They're like, hey, look, we got used shit, but we also have 3 buildings filled with used shit. We're making a lot of money here.
Very, very true. Man, we got a ton of crypto. It's like everything in the news today is all crypto. So I'm going to go to the next one, MasterCard. I believe that's MA is the ticker.
Yep, MA.
MasterCard buys cryptocurrency intelligence company CipherTrace. MasterCard has completed its acquisition of cryptocurrency intelligence company CipherTrace to extend its capabilities into the field of digital assets. MasterCard, which first announced its plans to buy CipherTrace last month, said that Millennium Park, California-based company, has insight into more than 900 cryptocurrencies and provides digital asset security and fraud services for some of the world's largest banks, exchanges, and other financial institutions. That's huge to me. Purchase, New York-based MasterCard said the deal allows it to offer a service that combines artificial intelligence, cyber and blockchain capabilities to provide businesses with greater transparency to help identify and understand their risks and manage regulatory and compliance obligations. The acquisition also advances MasterCard's digital asset strategy and differentiate It's real-time payments infrastructure.
Interesting.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot of technical mumbo jumbo.
Yep.
Yeah.
What is MA trading at right now?
358.62. I've had it up while you were talking about it. It's definitely, I mean, since the beginning of October, it's up $21, which is nice. Must have had a great spike on the 14th, so that must have been earnings, right?
What does it say down at the bottom? Next is October 29th.
Oh, okay. Ooh, interesting.
Yep.
That's my mom's birthday.
Ooh, that's nice. Happy birthday, Ma. Going back to the earnings, because we talked about yesterday that this is going to be a big earnings week. It was Netflix and United Airlines yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Big one. Let's check that out real quick just to see what happened, because maybe that might give us some insight with MasterCard. Because I did read an article yesterday about Netflix that it did get 4.4 million new subscribers last quarter. Did it go up yesterday? Yeah, it went up.
It went up on the 19th, and then it dropped significantly, and then it went up, and now it's down.
Okay, yeah, so it did have good earnings, so that tells us that most likely earnings this month is probably not going to be good. It is in the sell rating on the TradingView account for Netflix. Oof, it's not good at all.
Nope. Down $15 today, right after earnings. So
yeah,
there
so
you
maybe
go.
Earnings is not going to be good for Q3.
And then UAL.
What was UAL?
It's at 0% today, but it's down. It's pretty much down since the 4th.
Yeah, it did not do anything.
Nope.
Nope. All right, that tells us we probably shouldn't do earnings this.
Oh my god, it's like a revolving door for the fucking animals in this house. The door, it just keeps opening. One comes in, another one goes out.
They want to know what you're doing. They hear noises. They probably smell something funny in there.
Okay. Next. Yeah, that one's pretty, that's interesting about MasterCard. Hopefully it'll help businesses accept cryptocurrency. I don't know.
Yeah.
Next up, Sculpt Technology sets IPO price range at $15 to $17 a share. Sculpt Technologies Incorporated on Wednesday could raise about $160 million in its upcoming initial public offering, based on the midpoint of its estimated price range of $15 to $17 a share and 10 million shares in the offering.
Before you click the link, what do you think this is?
I thought it was something to do with, like, the air, but apparently it's body sculpting.
Yeah, body sculpting, bro.
Interesting.
What the fuck? How did this become publicly traded? What is going on?
What is Sculpt?
I don't know.
I'll tell you. Patented body contouring technology only available at Elite Body Sculpture. We believe fat removal and body contouring should be as comfortable and minimally invasive as possible, so this technique was designed to delicately remove unwanted fat through a 2mm wide entry point with no needle, no scalpel, and no stitches, all while you're awake. Sculpt provides superior results while you heal faster with significantly less bruising and trauma to the treated area. See for yourself when you visit our before and after photo galleries. This is like micro liposuction.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
All while you're awake. I do not want to be awake while you're shoving something in my fucking body.
Yeah, then they're probably putting it right into your ass. That's the secondary thing. You know what I mean? It's like, so we just took out 15 pounds of fat. They call it a spare tire. And for an extra $1,500, that's only $100 per pound of fat, we could shove that right in your ass, and you can make it back in Instagram posts in 6 months or less.
My God. Dude, when I had the little fucking chicken cutlet thing cut out of me, they had me awake for that, and it was like the worst experience of my life.
It's because you're a little bitch.
Oh, no, bro, it hurt. Like, they were tugging. I'm like...
Did it hurt, or did you just feel the tugging?
Oh, they had to do 2 different types of, not Novocaine, what's it called? Is it Novocaine? That numbs it?
Anesthetic. Topical anesthetic.
They had to do it twice because the first one did not work. And I definitely felt that fucking out of me. It felt like a muscle was being ripped out of me. But clearly this is a little bit different.
Yeah.
But this is the future, I guess.
2mm wide entry point.
Bro, if you look a little bit further down, it says today that air sculpt procedure has been performed over 25,000 times.
Wow.
So it only did it 25,000 times, and it's publicly traded. Wow.
Wow.
All right.
Our patented technology is hardly comparable to liposuction, which scrapes away unwanted fat with a tube resembling a cheese grater. Instead, Air Sculpt removes fat cell by cell through a freckle-sized hole while always leaving the treated area's skin tighter than before.
God.
Crazy.
Well, that just made me kind of cringe.
Yep.
Let's go to the next one. Let's learn a little bit. Online learning platform Udemy, I think I said that right, to offer 14.5 million shares in IPO priced at $27 to $29. This goes back to the Coursera?
Coursera.
Yeah. That fucking pumped hard at the beginning, and then it pretty much fell. But this one, an online learning platform, Udemy, Inc., set terms for its initial public offering on Wednesday, with plans to offer 14.5 million shares priced at $27 to $29. The company has applied to list on the NASDAQ under the ticker UDMY. Is it traded yet?
I don't think so. It's just set terms today. Nah.
No. Yeah, what is Coursera at? I believe it's COUR. Yeah, it's a ticker.
Man, you've got like some sort of Rain Man memory for tickers.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, I did like this one because this one definitely left an impression on me because we were talking about it when it debuted and it fucking soared.
And it tanked.
And then it tanked, yes.
Yep.
And it tanked a little bit more, but it's like, it's not doing so hot.
Yeah.
Nope, not at all. So maybe that's just like a fad, but I do believe in online learning.
Buy puts, Coursera.
I think it's pretty fucking low right now. I think it's actually lower than what it debuted at.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Coursera is lower than what it debuted at. Debuted at 37, 38. It's trading at 33 right now.
Buy puts.
You think so? You think it's going to go even lower?
Yeah.
All right. What's next, baby?
Novavax tumbles after report on COVID-19 vaccine production delay. That's NVAX, right? NVAX?
I believe so.
NVAX sure did tumble.
It's a good move.
Shares of Novavax fell 16% after a report from Politico said the company faces significant hurdles in proving it can manufacture its experimental COVID-19 vaccine that meets regulators' quality standards, resulting in production delays. The methods Novavax used to test the efficacy of its vaccine have fallen short of United States regulators' standards, according to the Politico report, citing people familiar with the matter. The production delays are likely to affect deliveries to the COVAX facility, which aims to provide equitable access to COVID-19 vaccines for low and middle income countries, the report added. Always the little guy getting fucked over. It's always the poor people. Of course it's Novavax. They're just trying to do it on a budget, and people are like, nah, fuck you, bro. Johnson & Johnson's spending $86 trillion on this. They get first priority.
Yep. Bro, it has dropped 50% since the the beginning of September. September.
And look at it in March 2020.
March
Just
2020. March 2020. Oof.
Do you need me to tell you, or do you see it?
No, tell me. Oh, I see it right now. Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah. It was $12. Novavax, one of the best plays you could have possibly made in COVID times. It was a $12 stock, and then in the last fucking year and a half, it's up $120.
Yeah, you're right. You're totally right. So it does look like it's at a point that it could turn around, could reverse. It already hit the take profit 4 on the sell margin of the trading view, so it could make a bounce back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can, and this might be a good time for an entry. But fuck do I know? All right, next. This one blows my fucking mind.
This is hilarious.
This is fucking hilarious. Did you watch the documentary yet?
I love it. Yeah, great.
Bro, WeWork is finally going public after investors approved its merger with the Silicon Valley SPAC. Come on. If anybody watched the fucking documentary, you'd be like, what the fuck are they doing?
Bro, so, Thursday. That's tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. I don't know how we didn't hear about this beforehand. But yeah, tomorrow the fucking SPAC is coming out. BOWX is the ticker. So the co-working giant will make its debut on Wall Street Thursday after merging with a blank check company headed by Sacramento Kings owner Vivek Randavat.
Dude, I mean, it's trading at $9.59 right now.
Well, what do we do? Is this
God.
Do we just like do this for shits and giggles? Like what should we play this one?
I don't know. How do you, I mean, like, it's almost like, how do you not, you know?
So it's trading exactly what it was when it debuted. I don't think it debuted at $10. I think it literally debuted at $9.40.
Yeah, and it had a little bit of a pump back in, like, April, May.
So there must have been some rumors about this happening in May. Yeah, but how do we not play this? WeWork. What the fuck?
I know. Like,
do we put it on the D&B 200?
I don't know about that, but I mean, we definitely got to keep an eye on that.
Yeah, well, I think we definitely should. Or maybe we just buy. Can you, if I go onto my account right now, are we able to buy calls or puts?
Calls or puts? Huh?
You would rather do a put than a call? Is that what you're thinking?
Someone just tried to steal a rental car.
What do you mean?
Devin's in San Diego right now for work, and she texted me saying somebody just tried to steal a rental car. So they probably hopped in and tried to drive through where there are spike strips. So did they hit the spike strips?
So if we do March 18th, 2022, they are doing $20 calls for a penny. Or even $17.5 calls for a penny.
BOWX.
BOWX. Actually, no, that's probably miss. Nah, that's a lie. It's probably a glitch.
Wow.
Oh, no. Oh, so December 17th, $22.5 calls, 1 penny. What do you think?
I don't think it's going to be that. I don't know. I mean, right now the market cap for it is $580 billion. Like, how much higher is WeWork going to go?
Well, I wish I could remember exactly what the documentary said about what was the first round of funding for WeWork. It was like a $40 billion company. It was valued at.
Yeah.
What was WeWork valued at? It was a lot.
It was a lot.
So they're saying the SPAC deal. This doesn't make any sense. I typed this in Google. It says big number, $9 billion, including debt. That's how much WeWork would be valued as a result of the SPAC deal. Interesting. Oh yeah, it's right here. May 18th, 2020, $47 billion.
Crazy. Completely overvalued.
Fuck. And now it's entering a SPAC deal, and it's trading around $9.48. Yep.
Wow.
I think we should. Let's talk after the show. I think we should play that one.
Okay.
Just for shits and giggles.
Interesting.
Yep. What's next, babe?
Finally, in crypto news, we have Nuchin is investing in blockchain. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say his last name.
I think it's Munchin.
Munchin?
I think so.
Okay. Munchin. Investors should know what their money is going toward when it comes to investing in stablecoins, he said Tuesday at the conference in Beverly Hills, California. Munchin touted cyberspace as a, quote, giant market, end quote, that could prompt companies to grow 10 or 20 times in size. Meanwhile, he said he will invest in global firms that do business in China, but will stay away from China-only companies. Former U.S. Treasury Secretary Munchin.
I think that's important. He knows what's fucking up.
Yeah.
We should probably follow some of these people. You know, like,
yeah,
just
maybe.
For knowledge, we probably fucking should.
Probably a good point.
Yeah. But yeah, I think I like that. It's probably a smart decision to invest in blockchain over coins or crypto.
Yeah.
But yeah, fucking, that's what we got for the news today. We fucking nailed that. We banged that out.
Yeah, sure did.
We banged that out hard.
Banged it hard. Very hard.
So you're leaving tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, very early in the morning, like 7 a.m. And
you're going to Colorado?
Yeah, Red Rocks, Colorado. We're going to see... we're seeing Above and Beyond on Friday at Red Rocks. It's going to be a blizzardy blast.
Wow, that's awesome. Guys, I got this. Luckily, I got to see them live at Gold Rush. That was fucking amazing.
That's dope. Yeah.
You should have seen me singing the Sun and Moon song.
Uh-huh.
I was yelling it like a little fucking 14-year-old white chick.
That's so cute.
Yeah. But thank you guys for watching. We love you so much. Please like, subscribe on the YouTube video. Join our Discord. Link is below. We're just some stoners making money, sending gifts.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't even have the flyer in front of me. But if you're in Phoenix or Arizona, this Saturday, Digital Haze, we're throwing a huge cannabis party at Club End Games. You're going to be drinking, smoking, eating, playing Mario Kart, just everything. It's going to be a great time. Tickets at trapcultureaz.com. And we will see you on Monday. Brian, do you have anything for anybody?
No. Thanks, everybody, for watching and listening. We love you all. Goodbye.
Cub Scouts.
Goodbye, Cub Scouts, huh?
Yeah, right. Trap Scouts.
All right.
Trap Scouts.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks.